A warm greeting. Today is Monday, August 12, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 11:45 a.m. local time in the northeastern Caribbean, and I am recording this short video because a tropical storm warning has been issued for Puerto Rico in the official bulletin from the National Hurricane Center, published at 11 a.m. Two Hurricane Hunter aircraft are investigating the area, and although they have not yet found a well-defined circulation center, it is forecasted that the fifth potential cyclone of the season will become Tropical Storm Ernesto before entering the Caribbean Sea. However, for now, the system remains disorganized, mainly because it is still moving very quickly westward, which prevents rapid organization. This also favors a more westerly track, and it is now expected to enter eastern Puerto Rico on Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning. Here are the most updated projections from global models. In general, there is consensus that it will maintain a track over Puerto Rico, and eventually move north over the open waters of the Atlantic. For now, it is expected to pass far from the Dominican Republic, but it is important to remain attentive to any unexpected changes in a more westerly track. However, the highest probabilities indicate that it will cross over Puerto Rico, and in the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, it is projected to enter eastern Puerto Rico during the night of Monday and early Wednesday morning. The good news is that since the system remains quite weak, it is projected to reach Puerto Rico as a weak tropical storm with maximum sustained winds between 45 to 50 miles per hour. Additionally, it is important to mention that further adjustments to the south and west are possible during upcoming bulletins, and a track just south of the island would leave the strongest winds over Puerto Rico. At this time, with a track over the eastern half of the island, the strongest winds would affect the islands of Culebra and Vieques and eastern Puerto Rico, as well as the Virgin Islands. However, with any further adjustment to the south, the strongest winds could affect the western half of the island. Regardless of whether it crosses over eastern Puerto Rico or a little further west, tropical storm force winds are expected to impact the northern Leeward Islands, the Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico, with wind gusts between 40 to 50 miles per hour. For example, this is the projection of the European model, and the German model also shows tropical storm winds affecting the entire island. Additionally, it is important that the western part of Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic remain attentive to its evolution because, for example, the GFS model has a much more westerly track than what the National Hurricane Center is indicating. This is why some westward adjustments in the track are possible during upcoming bulletins. And while the wind may cause some minor damage and power outages, we are quite concerned about the rainfall totals. Generalized accumulations of 3 to 5 inches of rain are projected over the northern Leeward Islands and Puerto Rico, and as the GFS model projection shows, some places could receive up to 8 to 10 inches of rain. It will all depend on the final track this future cyclone takes. Well, that's all for this forecast update. I will record a new video in the afternoon to talk about the 5 p.m. bulletin and any changes that arise in the global model's projections. I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos I will be recording under this special coverage. Go to the bottom of the video, click the red button that says subscribe, and then click the bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Until the next video, I hope everyone is finalizing their preparations. See you later.